Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can change our profile picture on Windows 11. So that being said, let's get started. Now to change profile picture on Windows 11, simply click on the Start button, then click on Settings, and here click on Accounts, and here you will find all the details about your account. So to change the profile picture, simply click on Your Info. Here you will find adjust your photo. Here we have two options, take a photo and another one is choose a file. So if you want to take a photo using your built-in webcam or camera, then you can simply click on open camera and take the photo and make that photo as a profile picture. Or else you can also choose file from your system. For that, simply click on browse file, select the photo you want to make your profile picture, then save it, then restart your computer. Instead of these, here you will find your profile picture. As I don't have Windows activated on my system, that's why I'm not getting this option. If you have activated Windows 11, then you will find this option. You can use this option to change your profile picture. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.